Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another pickup. As you can see, this one is a LeBron 11 box. This shoe was recently released. So here we go. As you can see, this is the LeBron 11 PreHeat. As you can see, the colorway is Urban Orange, Light Armory Blue, Laser Orange. Size 10, and these retailed for $250. So most of you guys know, this is a limited release. It was, I believe, it's pretty much an online release. You can either get it through Nike or Foot Locker, but that was pretty much it. And I got these through. These shoes were bought from Nike. So there you go. I'm not going to go into detail about the shoe since there's been, some reviews already. But this was a dope colorway. You can see right there. That swoosh. Got more like this icy, it's like a bluish tint to it. And I got the LeBron James signature. But really the only thing that's different on this compared to the other releases that I see, other than, the way they made this colorway right here, is the lace lock. If you were lucky enough to be at the Miami release, you got that special packaging. But on the regular release day, you got the regular LeBron 11 box. But as you can see right here, the lace lock is 3M. Just put a flash on it. Second. You can see from the camera right there, it is 3M. So, but other than that, that's really the only thing I saw different on this shoe. Alright YouTube, if you have any questions, just hit me up. You can also follow me on Instagram at Pinoy Ice and at Twitter at BJamin75. If you have any questions, again, just leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. Alright YouTube, peace out.